This video will cover the topic, square roots of perfect squares with signs. This topic will help us evaluate a square root of a perfect square when there's a negative sign involved. To begin, the square roots rule states that the square root of a is a real number only if a is positive or equals 0. If a is negative, then the square root of a is not a real number. Let's consider the example, the square root of negative 121. What do you think the real number solution is for this problem?
Well, 121 is a perfect square, so this would result in 11, right?
Well, you're correct that 121 is a perfect square. However, for this problem, there's a negative sign inside the square root. Therefore, the answer is not a real number.
What if the problem has a negative sign outside the square root and not inside?
That's a great question. Consider the example, negative square root of 49. Since the negative sign is outside the square root, we first solve the square root, then include the sign in our answer. What do you think the real number solution is for this problem?
Since 7 times 7 is 49, and we have to include the negative sign in the final result, the answer is negative 7.
That's correct.
I think I understand this topic. If the number inside the square root is negative, it does not result in a real number. If the negative sign is outside the square root symbol, then it is solved as a normal square root and we include the negative sign in the final result.
That's exactly right. Great work!